Hi, thank you for taking my Entity Framework course. Let me quickly explain how I have structured this course so you get the most out of it. In the first section, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Entity Framework. I'm going to introduce you to different workflows to build a model, database first and code first. Then I'm going to cover each of these workflows in detail. Next, I'm going to talk about how to query and update data using Entity Framework. And finally, I'm going to wrap up this course by showing you how to use Entity Framework in an ASP.NET MVC and a WPF application. In each section, I have designed some exercises to help you reinforce what you're going to learn. So be sure to go through them, as some of them include additional learning materials. Also, in a few sections in the summary lecture, I have added cheat sheets so you can quickly review what you learned in that section. So I have done my best to produce this course, and I hope you enjoy it.